A very good evening, guys. This is Saman Gupta. Welcome to this our daily analysis session of Trader Status. In this video, we are going to analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex, and tomorrow's specialist Nifty's expiry. And I will give you my exact areas of levels, bias, and the one setup that could give you the best risk reward for tomorrow. So let's get into it. Okay, first let's see the weekly time frame. The weekly picture is in front of you. In the last video, I have shown you that the market is closed upside and that's a doji, and Nifty closes above 187 points in as a doji candle. It shows that the weekly on time frame, a doji is very important because it shows indecision. What is indecision means? Last week, like the sellers and the buyers were not able to make a decision, means which side to take the market. That's why we are getting a doji candle. Maybe due to the new, what to say, the new rule of CAS that is came last week only. So that's why the makers are confused where to take. Now the important thing is to note down here the closing on 4 hour. If you will see the Nifty on 4 hour basis, 4 hours candle, the closing we are getting here is bullish. And if we will see the 1 hour also, we will see the candle is getting closed in bullish side. So we can say that the closing is higher high and means so as per the previous 1 hour and 4 hour candle. And if you will go with the weekly time frame also, the closing is higher high. The previous weeks are high is always getting broken by the last weeks. So we are expecting a buy on dip setup. This is in a bullish setup. And if you will see this area जहाँ पे हमें एक अच्छा ब्रेकआउट सस्टेन होते हुए दिख सकता है. Now the important thing is here, if the gap why the market is going to fill the gap of downside or not. And there are some gaps of upside also. If you will see here, these are the gaps. So which gap is near to this market according to the current scenario? Expecting this gap to be filled of upside 25,000 of Nifty. Currently we are here at this gap is also filled to be filled, which is also left, and downside this gap also. But here the market is too much consolidating, and any one-sided move will come which will take the Nifty to the almost 400 points single day rally. A big bar candle can be possible in these coming days, and I am expecting like either this type of candle or by tomorrow this type of candle can be possible in this upcoming session. So now we will shift to the daily time frame. Already we are here. The Nifty is on daily time frame, and let's go to the levels of 24,820. Why this is the 820 levels? Let me show you. The last area where the market from where the market was fallen was this, that is 700 level, and before that the market closed near the 850. So this is the area where the market trapped the buyers after getting this high, and this high is very important because this is the high where the people were trapped in the previously, and after that market has been got downside sharply. After that this high is important, that is 24,854 level. This is the resistance level we can test in this area, and if the market is going upside, so we will see that this area will act as an important resistance, 24,854. So tomorrow what we will do, if we are opening gap up or what we can do if we are opening flat, or this is the area. First of all, the bias is buy on dip. Why the weekly is higher high? Second, if we are opening a flat session, okay. So if we are going for a flat or like a small pullback, so you should know that we are in the buy on dip scenario. So any buy on dip scenario will be means any retracement for the downside, any green doji, then you are getting on the 5 minutes time frame. That will be bought by the Nifty, and possibilities will be there that tomorrow, that today's highs will be getting broken. If we will shift to the 5 minute time frame today, you can see here in the first 5 minutes that we got a green candle. After that, we are getting trapped by the buyers, sorry, sellers. So this is called the first candle we got as a trap, and this is area of 24,650 to 70 area is a very much consolidated area. You can see here whole day market from 10:30 to almost 2 p.m. we are here only. So here the markets have made the positions for tomorrow, and this is the area why if we are seeing that later part of after 2:20 p.m. we got a breakdown, but we closed in this area. So this can be a accumulation phase, and this can be a manipulation area that the that the Nifty made a manipulation leg, and now possibility will be there that a distribution is going to happen in the upside. So this is the important for tomorrow, that today's lows, this is the low for today is important, and this low you have to make it very much uh, observing for tomorrow's session. In the first 5 minutes or 30 minutes, suppose if we are opening here flat opening, and if we are going for the downside, so this is the area you have to keep in watch. And here the scenario if getting is tested again and again, so this support will become weak, and we are going to break this level. But by chance if they are we are getting here bounce, and we are getting again breaking the day's highs, so expect this high to be getting broken by tomorrow or by this week. Why I am expecting? Because we are already from this range, a very tight range we are here from the last 5 days here, from 4 to 11. If you will see the range, the markets are getting in a tight range here in the Nifty. Every day we are getting gap up then down, gap up then down, again gap up down, gap up down again. So the buyers are making the gap up, and then after that later we are seeing the profit booking. It shows that every buy, those who are doing the profit book, taking the entry, and then whole day we are getting the one sided against the bias. So possible if tomorrow, if anyone sideways gap up is happening, then may be possible that we are going to test this level 24,850, and after that we will test the next levels of 4,920, and then 970 will be the next target. Coming to the next part, that is Bank Nifty. For tomorrow, the Bank Nifty was inside the Doji candle as said from the last week sessions also. So we are here in the Doji candle, and the Doji candle is very important. I said you can see here last 2 weeks we are here in the as the inside candles only. So these inside bars are the mother baby candlestick pattern. Inside bar means the market is consolidating, and the thing is inside bar when they break, we are getting very good profits in either of the side, or either breakdown or breakout. On daily time frame also, if you will see the Bank Nifty, we are in a tight range of this Nifty. Mhm. So the inside candle is getting here. consolidated very tightly, and this is the range for the bank nifty in the upcoming days. If we are going to break, the same levels will be for tomorrow also. So you have to see the range is there of towards the 59,000, and the downside range will be 56,700. So this is the range for tomorrow, 59,000, and this is the range for the downside. So Nifty Bank, this is the view. If we are going to break the highs, then these levels will be very important, and once they are broken, then we are going to test the 59,000 levels in one single candle or 2 days within. Now coming to the next index, Sensex. The Sensex same part will be there. As you can see, the candle is same as the inside candle in the Nifty also, and we are in the inside range, and the target is still due, so nothing much more updated. 80k towards the Sensex for the upside, and the downside will be 77,400. The same levels will be for upcoming days and upcoming expiries. You can use it. Let me update the levels for this. So the blue levels are the important. Any side breakout or breakdown, this range we are going to break, then 80k will be the target. And if we are going to break down, then this level will be the target. So this is the very much area from where the we can expect the buy on dip, and the overall bias is buy on dip. Let me show you the overall sentiments. The overall sentiments is the buy on dip. Second point is weekly closings are positive. So you have to make it note. The weekly closings are positive. The second point is VIX is low, which shows no panic and no shorts are there in the market. The third is the gaps are there for the upside also and downside. So the third points will be the gaps are for the upside. So which are the high area probable the targets are hitting for the upside. And fourth, expiry days, the markets are usually bullish when the setup is like this. So all the 4 points you have to keep note for tomorrow. So plan your trade accordingly. The summary of this was this only. So bye bye guys. I hope, and don't be greedy tomorrow. The expiry days can be violent, and so this is the clear view for tomorrow.